In the beginning, all the humans that manifested directly into human life forms were fully self-aware and conscious and knew everything in existence because their DNA memories were in full sync with the pure energy of creation itself. Meaning the first humans created themselves because we are the consciousness and self-awareness of the Creator at the biological scale. This is our nature, this is who we are. And then there is a visual representation of this. And it's the case. So when we started to manifest as females and males, right, in the human form, right, we started to essentially, because we're this purest of energies that just simply manifests, right, into the human body, and because we're the purest energy that simply manifests without this biological process of having the seed and the egg coming together as one, and then we procreate and biologically reproduce, and then we have offsprings, which are our children, right? So instead of going through the biological process, when we first started to manifest as humans, which is this infinite energy of creation, whether we were male or female, it doesn't matter, we just manifested. Then, because we were the pure manifestation, we didn't come from a biological process, we came from a manifestation of energy as the creators of everything into the human scale, the biological scale of creation, that we know everything and we are the creators of everything and we're just experiencing that. Then we knew everything because we're the purest energy manifesting in the moment. So because this is the way we did it, then that meant that those first humans that first manifested as the first males and the first females of our species in our ancient past, they knew everything already, so they didn't need to learn anything because everything that existed was already known to them, because they needed just to start the process immediately of creating at the biological scale. So they just essentially said, okay, this is all that I know and I'm gonna make myself biological, and all that I know and all that I am, I'm gonna start creating biologically using the foundation that I have, which is the energy that I manifest in myself as everything that there is, so I can observe what I created. So because this is the logic of the system of infinity, then we knew everything when we manifested. And because that is the case, all our DNA memories today have the knowledge of everything of our first ancestors, our first humans that manifested themselves. Because when they started to create the planets and they started to create the universes, and when they started to create everything that existed, including evolving themselves even further, then all that information, all this history, all these memories is passed through our DNA. So all of us already have this within us, right? So this is why it was important that the first humans knew everything, so they can create everything, and the descendants would have the DNA memories within them of the first humans that manifested from energy states as pure creations of infinity itself. So this is our story.